Take command of the road in the 2015 Toyota RAV4. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like all-wheel drive, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, power moonroof, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.